Hi, my name is Al, and I do a lot of things a little differently. Every problem is a solution waiting to happen, and as a habitual tinkerer, I've had fun coming up with some solutions and actually using them. I'll only share with you ideas that I came up with myself. I'm not saying nobody else has ever had the same idea, but I won't try to take credit for something that I didn't think of on my own. That being said, some of my ideas may be a bit unconventional, leading my wife to call me the Wacky Hacker, so I'll just go with that. Today's solution is something that apparently has bothered a lot of people for a long time. The open chip bag and how to close it when you don't have anything handy to take care of that for you, like a clip, or you just don't like having big, bulky, plastic, ugly chip clips laying around your house, which turns out aren't necessary. My idea is a little different than the conventional one that you've seen out there. What you see is people folding, I don't know, something like this, and trying to tuck this under here, and doing something weird that doesn't work. I find that kind of annoying. This godsend solution that everybody thinks is really cool, but nobody can make it work. This one, anybody can do, and I'll show you exactly how. Start with an open bag of chips. It doesn't have to be this low. You can have more in it. If it's too full, this one unfortunately will damage a little of your product inside. I don't have a problem with a bag of chips staying too full once it's open. Sorry. Start by doing a diagonal fold 45 degrees, as such. Make a nice little crease. Anybody can do that. Now, halfway down, make another fold to the opposite direction. Crease that one nicely. And what you see is it sticks out on the side, but you also see part of the opening of the top is here on the other side. So now you take this extra tab and stick it into that piece that you can open up. Tuck it in, flatten it down, and you have a sealed bag of potato chips. A functional solution. These creases are going to help keep air out, keep your product fresh, and it actually works. You can toss it to somebody across the room if you want. Hope they catch it so that you don't break all the chips. But it works. It's easy. And, well, I thought of that myself. So, hopefully this helps. I've got a lot more ideas to share. Hopefully I'll see you again.